Our next guest says we're in the middle of a modern-day battle of Waterloo proportions. That the epic fight that ended Napoleon's reign as a French emperor, Napoleon now dead. Now South Carolina Senator Jim DeMint and President Barack Obama have been sparring with their own version. Listen.
If we're able to stop Obama on this, it will be his Waterloo. It will break him.
Just the other day, one Republican senator said, and I'm quoting him now, if we're able to stop Obama on this, it will be his Waterloo. It will break him. Think about that. This isn't about me.
The unfortunate thing is I have no confidence that the president actually wants to make health insurance affordable and available to all Americans.
Another Republican senator that defeating health care reform is about breaking me.
Okay, the one guy who got that all started was Republican Senator from South Carolina, Jim DeMint, who joins us right now. He's also the author of the book, Saving Freedom, We Can Stop America's Slide into Socialism. Boy, did you stir up a hornet's nest. What were you trying to say in the beginning?
Well, I did seem to get his attention, but the president has been on a mad tear to expand government, spending, debt, taxes, taking over General Motors, and now he wants to take over health care. And I feel like our country's on the edge of a cliff. And if we allow him to ram another thing through Congress that no one has read, that doesn't meet the promises that he's made to the American people, he's going to move right on through to cap and trade, electricity taxes, everything else he's talking about. We need to stop him. It's not personal. It's not political. This is really bad policy, and we need to slow it down, read what's in the bill, and see that it's going to destroy the American health care system.
So, Senator, what do you say to people watching right now that said, well, Republicans lost, he won, he's got his majorities, this is just politics, plain old politics?
It's not politics. It's about getting every American insured with a policy they can afford and own and keep. I've introduced a number of proposals that would help individuals have their own health insurance policies at an affordable price. When President Obama was in the Senate, he voted against every reform proposal. Now he's saying the system doesn't work, and he thinks the government needs to take it over. It makes no common sense. This is not about politics, or it's not about him. It's about policy, and this plan is really bad policy.
So you, just flatly, you are not trying to break him?
No, I'm trying to break his momentum. If you look at what he's done the first 6 months, it's been an unprecedented growth in government and spending and debt, and nothing seems to be slowing him down. We need to slow him down. We cannot allow this to continue.
Where's it at?
Well, I think Americans have woken up, and I think they're paying attention to this, and they're starting to look at the facts, and they're realizing that the president's promises did not come true on the stimulus. They're starting to think maybe they're not the facts on the health care bill as well. So Americans are beginning to question, and that's really important right now. I'm not against the president. I appreciate him, but I do believe that if we lose this health care battle, we could lose a lot of what we fought and died for as a country.
Okay, well, Senator Jim DeMint joined us live from the Russell Rotunda. We thank you very much. The Democrats are going to start running an ad that attacks that, and his staff is saying, look, you can't do that because it simply is not true.